say that I appreciate you a lot. Reason is that, you know, in your first film, Kedarnath, you didn't love it. But after that, you have seen a lot. It is particular type of people or audience which has been targeting you and pulling you down. Yet you stood strong with every project of yours. You were growing as an artist, and I really appreciate it. But tell us, what is your secret armor or strength?
I don't think I have a secret armor or strength. I think that despite the jokes or humor, I'm not unaware of what is happening. So I know that I got a lot of love very early in my career, very, very early. And my mom, in fact, used to tell me this is very scary because it happened overnight and it was a lot. And then came two films that didn't give me that love, and that was actually more scary. So I was like, okay, what's happening? But I've grown to see that if you do good and honest work, the audiences will give you love for that. I've been lucky to receive love for films again after that. There are films that are liked, there are films that are not liked. But I feel as long as you're doing your best and you're growing every day, I think that's all that you can really do, you know. And you just hope for the best. And you keep working. And you don't let the noise get to you, you know. You have to see what if this is constructive criticism? Where do people have a point? Okay, fine, maybe this is true. Maybe I do have to be more aware of my surroundings. Maybe I shouldn't just like let my personality be so loud that people refuse to take me seriously. These are things that have been told to me and I implement them 80% of the time, you know. And then you are aware that ultimately your work will speak. And if people give you that chance, which I'm lucky enough to have gotten, then hopefully they'll like me. And if not, I'll try harder.
Do you think that in today's scenario of filmmaking, comedy is a safe bet?
I'm actually very, very excited to be coming to theaters with a film that can be watched with the entire family. You know, it doesn't seem to be alienating at all. You can watch it with your children, you can watch it with your grandparents. You don't have to shut their eyes, shut their ears. They can watch the whole film. And it's just been a while since I've felt that there is this community watching wholesome collective experience giving film out there in theaters. And like Ayushman has said before, not to you, but to somebody else, and it's a very good thing, is that summer holidays have begun. So it's the perfect time to just like go with your whole family and just laugh and enjoy yourself, see the film and just, you know, just enjoy it for what it is. And what I'll also tell you is every character in this film, not just the four that you see on this poster, but every character is so different, so quirky, that I just think it's going to be a fun ride to just like watch Mudassar Sir's world. And I'm just so grateful that I got the opportunity to be a part of it. And I like the fact that despite being extremely serious between action and cut, there is no seriousness uske alawa. There is a constant, I don't even think it's an effort actually, there's a natural ease with which he's making everybody on set just comfortable and happy. You know, and especially in a film like this, like that's the environment that one needs. And he's always just cracking jokes and keeping it like light. He doesn't take himself seriously at all, which is not something I honestly expected when I first was to work with him. I didn't think so. This is my second film with him now. On the first film, first couple of days, I wouldn't talk to him. I was like, Ayushman, I'm बहुत serious type होगा, गंभीर, मैं नहीं जाती हूँ, मैं कुछ बोल दूँगी and all. And like then he was laughing 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. I was like, okay, you know what? I think he could be a funny person. And then we started like laughing and joking. And initially I was like, he's so serious.
Yeah.
Because of the kind of work that he does. But on set, between action and cut, that seriousness is there no matter which film you're doing with him, which song you're doing with him, whatever. But cut hote, some joke, something with anyone around, himself sometimes. It's just amazing to watch.
It's the 8th year in the
Oh,
industry.
please. Wow. It flew. It just flew. I mean, Kedarnath feels like just yesterday. We went to Indian Idol and I was like, oh my God, I was just here for Kedarnath. It was the same day as my trailer launch of Kedarnath. I remember even that. I was like, what, where, what? It's crazy.